Hello, Assalamualaikum. Today we'd like to present about mini project NMK40103 about cloud security implementation on Google Cloud Platform GCP. This is a group member. My name is Arisa Anwar bin YAKIM. My number matrix is 221-301-255. My other members is Muhammad HADIF bin WALID. Number matrix is 221-302-393. And lastly, HILMI bin Muhammad NASSIR. Number matrix is 221-302-379. The introduction is this project focuses on deploying and securing a virtual machine VM on GCP to host a web server as cloud computing become essential for businesses. Ensuring the security of cloud resource is crucial. In this demonstration, we will configure a VM, implement access control policies, enhance web server security, and set up firewalls rules to prevent unauthorized access by applying best practices in cloud security. We aim to create a secure and efficient hosting environment while mitigating potential threats. The objective is deploy a virtual machine VM on GCP, set up a cloud-based VM with an appropriate operating system to host a web server. Number 2, configure access control, implement identity and access management policies to regulate user permission and secure resources. Number 3, enhance web server security. Apply security best practices to protect the web server from unauthorized access and vulnerabilities. And lastly, implement firewall rules. Configure firewall setting to allow only authorized traffic and prevent potential security threats. What is Google Cloud Platform GCP? GCP is a suite of cloud computing service offered by Google. It provides infrastructure, platform, and software solutions to help businesses and developers build, deploy, and manage applications efficiently. That's all for me. Now we move to Hilmi bin Muhammad Nasir.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Hilmi bin Muhammad Nasir and my matric number is 221302379. And today I will tell you about key features of GCP. First, compute service. Visual machine VMS through compute engine for hosting application. Next, storage and database. Cloud storage, BigQuery and Firestore for data management. And the last one is networking. Visual private cloud, VPC, load balancing and firewall for secure connection. Next, real-time application. First, healthcare and telemedicine. Hospital and healthcare provider store electronic health record on GCP while complying with HAPAA security standard. Use encryption, access control, and security monitoring to protect sensitive patient data. Second, e-commerce security. Online shopping platform use secure VMS and firewall rules to protect payment processing system. Implement DLP and cloud armor to defend against fraud, data breach, and cyber threat. And the last one is government and defense standard. And government and defense system. Government use cloud security measure to safeguard classified information and sensitive national data. Zero trust security models, multi-factor authentication, and GCP Shield VMS ensure resilience against cyber attack. For future recommendation, first, strengthen firewall and network security. Configure firewall rules to allow only necessary traffic. Example HTTP, HTTPS, and SSH. Restrict inbound access using IP whitelist and add Instruction Detection System (IDS) and Instruction Prevention System (IPS) for real-time trip monitoring. Net Secure Web Server Hosting. Install SSL TLS certificate to encrypt website data. Implement DDoS protection using Cloud Armor and regular automate backup and snapshot to recover from failure. For conclusion, implement cloud security measure is essential to protect visual machine and web server from unauthorized access and cyber threat. Proper firewall configuration, access control policies, and web server security measure significantly enhance the overall security posture. This project provides hands-on experience in deploying and securing a cloud-based web server on Google Cloud Platform (GCP), reinforcing best practice in cloud security management. And for demonstration, I pass to Muhammad Hadif.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hadif bin Walid and my metric number is 221302393. Okay, I will presenting about my mini project on the network security subject. Okay, first I'm using Google Cloud for the VM setup. And then the first thing that we're gonna do is we go to the compute engine and I will show you. First thing is the dashboard. I will show you the dashboard. Okay, this is all the dashboard, and for the VM details that I have set up is we go to the VM instances. Okay, this is all the details that I have been set up. Okay, this is all the details. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to show is the firewall. So we click on the firewall. After that, okay, for allow HTTP, I'm using port 80, and for allow HTTPS, I'm using port 433. Okay, we're gonna test it one by one. We close this, and this. So for HTTP, the first thing we have to copy the external IP, then HTTP. Okay, then we go to the firewall back. Okay, now we click HTTP, so paste, and we go for port 80. Okay, we can reach the Apache. This is because I don't have any domain, so it will direct to the Apache server, and this show that we can connect to the HTTP server, but it is not secure because it is HTTP. Okay, for the HTTPS, we go to the port 443. Okay, now we do the same thing, HTTPS, paste, and we go to the port 443. Okay, there we can also connect to the HTTP with port 443. Okay, but why it is not secure? Because I don't have any domain, and it is not having the SSL certified. So if I have domain and got the SSL certified, so it is should be okay. Okay, now we reload. Okay, then I will show you how we gonna manage the firewall rule. Okay, then we will change on this HTTPS. So we go to edit the source filter, which is we do the access control. So go to edit, and the first thing that I want to show you, I have two devices right now, and I will show you the two device can connect with the HTTPS server. So this is the two device that I will test. Okay, then I have typed it already. So we go, and this only advanced, so proceed. Yes, so then the two device can connect to the HTTPS server. Okay, now I will change the filter, so I will allow only the device that have in my internal public IP can access the HTTPS server. So we go to this and we type what is my IP. What is my IP? So then this is my public IP. So we copy and then we remove the IP and then paste it. So we have added the public IP. So after we add, it should be only one device can connect to the HTTPS server. First we save it. Okay, successfully update. Okay, then on the device we try one more time. So here /443 HTTPS. Okay, so here also we double dot 443. Okay, now we click go. So what will happen? And one device, the device that within my public IP have connected to the HTTPS server, and the other we wait for a while. Okay, so this we can see that this side can't be reached. So with Deltel, check your internet connection. This is because I have changed the IP range within my public IP. So we have implement the access control in this firewall. So how if attackers want to hack or want to access our VM, our virtual machine? So I will show you. The first thing, we go back to the VM instances. Okay, then if any attackers want to access our VM or our cloud, so they should go to the command prompt and they will type SSH Muhammad HADIF 20 at then my IP. So what will happen? Paste. So they will see permission denied because they need the private key. So where is the private key? Private key is in here. Private key. Okay, this is the private key of my VM. Only admin can have the private key. Like if the admin wants to access the VM, it should have like this. Open in browser windows. So see, transferring SSH key to the VM. So only admin, it is secure. Only admin can access our server and manage our server. Okay, that's all for my demo. Thank you.